Hello everyone, welcome to our math class. So students, we have already start our practical geometry. So first class we draw the quadrilateral if we know four sides and any one diagonals. So today we construct a quadrilateral when three sides and two diagonals are given. Okay. So question is construct a quadrilateral ABCD in which AB 4 cm, BC equal to 3.8 cm, AD is equal to 3 cm. There are three sides and diagonals AC is equal to 5 cm and BD is equal to 4.6 cm. Okay, there are three sides and two diagonals are given. We know that any 5 elements are given in a quadrilateral, then we easily draw the construction. Okay, so here some step. Okay, we draw the ABCD quadrilateral. First we draw the rough sketch. So ABCD is a quadrilateral. We draw the rough sketch E, A, B and C, D. So we name it, suppose A, B, C and D is the quadrilateral. AB is equal to how much? AB is equal to 4 cm, BC is equal to 3.8 cm, AD is equal to AD sides is equal to 3 cm. Then AC diagonal, we done the diagonal AC diagonal is equal to 5 cm. And BD diagonal is equal to 4.6 cm. We done the diagonal BD. Okay, so BD is equal to 4.6 cm. Okay, so here step 1, we draw the AB. First we draw AB is equal to 4 cm. We draw any line segment. Okay, then we measure 4 cm of AB. AB is equal to 4 cm. Okay. So this is A and B. Then with edge, center and radius equal to 5 cm. Why? AC is equal to 5 cm diagonal. So with the edge, center and we measure 5 cm, draw the arc. We measure 5 cm. At the center A, we draw the arc. Okay. Okay. So with edge, the center and radius equal to 5 cm, we draw the arc. Again with B edge the center and radius equal to 3.8. Why? BC is equal to 3.8. So at the center B we measure 3.8. Then we draw the another arc. So we measure 3.8. Then we draw the another arc at the center B. Okay, both cutting this point. Okay, so this point is what? C. This is the C point. Now we join BC and AC. We join both points B and C and A and C. Okay. So here ABC is a triangle. Then Then with A center again we draw the another arc 3 cm. Why? AD is equal to here AD is equal to 3 cm. Then we again the measure 3 cm. At the center A we draw another arc. Okay. Similarly then the point, क्योंकि हमको CD मालूम नहीं है तो BD another diagonal. So again with the center B we draw 4.6 cm is the radius. Now we measure 4.6 cm. Here 4.6. Okay. as the center B, we draw another arc, both cutting the point. This point is D. So now we join BC and DA. We join BC and DA with the help of scale. Okay, again also we join BD diagonals. BD diagonals. Okay, now ABCD is the required quadrilateral. ABCD is the required quadrilateral. Okay, so when 3 sides and 2 diagonals are given, then we draw the quadrilateral. So again we write here 4 centimeter. BC is equal to 3.8 centimeter and AC diagonal is equal to 5.5 centimeter. BD diagonal is equal to 4.6 centimeter. Then AD is equal to 3 centimeter. Okay, so hence ABCD is the required quadrilateral. Okay students, so let's come to next number. Okay, so to construct a rhombus BEND where BN is equal to 5.6 centimeter and D is equal to 6.5 centimeter. So first we draw the rough sketch. This is a rhombus. That means we draw a rhombus picture. Okay, what is the rhombus? All sides are equal and the opposite sides are parallel to each other. So this is a rhombus. Okay, so naming is BEND. BEND. 4 sides are equal. Then here only the diagonals are given, BN and ED. We join the diagonals BN and ED. So we know that students, the diagonals of a rhombus are bisect to each other. That means BN is equal to 5.6 centimeter and D is equal to 6.5 centimeter. Okay, suppose this point is O. So we know the properties of rhombus. The diagonals are bisect to each other. That means BO or OB is equal to ON, OB is equal to ON and OE is equal to OD. Okay, only 2 diagonals are given here. So how to we draw? देखो, first we draw a line. Take a line and cut 6.5. क्योंकि ED measurement is 6.5, so we measure 6.5 centimeter. 6.5. Okay, so put this point. This is 6.5. Both sides we draw an arc. Okay, this is E and this is B. Then we draw the perpendicular bisector of ED. We draw the perpendicular bisector of ED. So we draw perpendicular bisector of ED. Okay, so then we join the line passing through the ED. Okay, so this point is which point? O. This is the O point. Again OE is equal to OD, OE is equal to OD. Bisect हो गया. Again OB is equal to ON, but BN is equal to how much? 5.6. Total BN is equal to 5.6. So OB कितना आएगा? 5.6 का आधा. Means 5.6 by 2 is equal to 2.8. So here we cut 2.8 and नीचे also, नीचे भी 2.8 कटेंगे. ओके, सो वी मेजर 2.8 क्योंकि देखो ये बाइसेक्ट. वी नो द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ रम्बस. So 2.8. We measure 2.8. So at the center O, we draw the arc at the radius 2.8. The both sides. Okay. This is B and this is N point. Okay. So now we know E point, B point, D point, and N points. Then we join BE, EN, BD, okay, and ND. Now we join the BD, BD, we join the BD, then BE, both point we join carefully, okay, then E and N points, yeah, again N and B point, N and B. Okay, so now B, E, and D is the required rhombus. Means that all sides equal. So we write here B, E, and D is the required rhombus. Okay, students. So how do we draw quadrilateral and if any 5 elements are given? Okay. So students, that's all for today. Next class we do the another number. Okay. Thank you.